Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of home improvement and construction, focusing on a remarkable achievement by a Sacramento-based company. American Building Development has recently surpassed 250 Google reviews, maintaining a perfect 5.0 average. This milestone not only highlights their exceptional service, but also reinforces their position as the leading deck contractor in Sacramento. Let's explore how this company has built such a stellar reputation and what it means for homeowners in the region. American Building Development has crossed 250 Google reviews with a perfect 5.0 average, a milestone that puts a number on something Sacramento homeowners have been saying for years. When a deck needs rebuilding or a balcony needs waterproofing, American Building Development is the name that keeps coming up. The Sacramento-based exterior remodeling contractor has built that record project by project, largely on deck and balcony repair work that other contractors either turn down or get wrong. A perfect average across 250 reviews is not the same as a perfect average across 20. Every additional review is another chance for the number to slip, and it hasn't. That consistency matters most on the jobs where homeowners have the least room for error: structural deck failures, water intrusion into the home, balcony systems that have to meet California's compliance codes. Those are where American Building Development's reviews carry the most weight because they come from homeowners who had the most to lose if the repair went wrong. Some of American Building Development's strongest reviews come from homeowners who didn't hire the first contractor who called them back. In a Google review, Helen Wong described interviewing at least 7 contractors before choosing American Building Development for a balcony repair using the West Coast waterproofing system. Wong wrote that project manager Igor Kurliak gave a thorough explanation of the work procedures, provided referrals to homeowners with similar repairs, and that the crew arrived promptly and cleaned the site every day. Wong closed the review by saying she would hire American Building Development again for her next project. Alan Guttenberg's review describes a more severe case. In a Google review, Guttenberg wrote that his deck at Winchester Country Club in Meadow Vista had failed badly enough to cause water intrusion into the home, requiring the deck to be completely rebuilt along with exterior rockwork and interior water damage repair. Guttenberg said American Building Development gave detailed, fair estimates for the full scope of work, including additional roof and gutter problems the crew discovered along the way, and that the team worked long days until the job was finished on time and on budget. Guttenberg called American Building Development's crew highly skilled and honest communicators and gave the company his highest recommendation. Sacramento's dry summers and wet winters are hard on decks and balconies built with the wrong materials or installed without proper waterproofing underneath the surface. Rot and water intrusion often stay hidden until they have spread into the structure of the house, which is why so many of American Building Development's highest-rated reviews describe jobs that started as a small repair request and turned into a larger structural fix. American Building Development holds Trex Pro Gold Installer status for composite decking and works with the West Coast waterproofing system for balconies and multifamily properties. And the company's balcony inspection and repair work is built around California's SB 721 and SB 326 compliance requirements for multifamily and commercial buildings. For homeowners searching for a deck contractor in Sacramento, a 5.0 average built on jobs like these is a different kind of proof than a star rating alone. Located in 191 Lathrop Way, Suite N, Sacramento, California 95815, American Building Development serves homeowners throughout Sacramento, Elk Grove, Roseville, Folsom, Rockland, Auburn, Citrus Heights, Rancho Cordova, and surrounding Northern California communities including Stockton, Modesto, Fairfield, and Santa Rosa. Homeowners can request a free, no-obligation quote by calling 960-249-0302 or visiting American Building Development online. American Building Development is a licensed, bonded, and insured exterior remodeling contractor based in Sacramento, California. Founded in 2009 by brothers Ian and Dmitro Yarovenko, American Building Development builds and restores decks, siding, windows, and outdoor living spaces for homeowners, and provides balcony compliance inspections and repairs for multifamily and commercial properties, all under one license. The company is Better Business Bureau accredited with an A+ rating and holds Trex Pro Gold, James Hardie Select, and GAF Certified Plus Installer status. With 250 five-star Google reviews and counting, American Building Development's standard hasn't changed since day one. Measure twice, communicate constantly, and build like someone lives there.